Need garage door repair in Manchester, CT? Provision Garage Door Repair Manchester has you covered. From broken springs and faulty openers to complete garage door replacements, our experienced team provides fast, reliable service at competitive prices. Whether you're searching for garage door repair near Manchester or need emergency repairs, we're ready to help. Keep your garage door running smoothly. Call Provision Garage Door Repair Manchester today.